Teach a Village to Read, a goodwill project from New Zealand. Junior Journal, page 10. Page 10. Rosie the Railway Dog by Jane Buxton. Rosie lives across the road from the railway station. She is an old dog that likes to sleep most of the day in the sun. But just before 10 o'clock, Rosie wakes up. She crosses the road to the railway station and waits on the platform. She likes to meet people as they come off the morning train. She gets lots of pats, and sometimes people want to take a photograph. Rosie has been going to the station twice a day for about 12 years, so everyone there knows her. "Hello, Rosie," they say, and Rosie wags her tail. All the time she is looking for Helen, who works in the cafeteria on the train. Every day Helen gets off the train with a pie in a dish for Rosie, and Rosie loves pies. This is the best part of being a railway dog. When she has finished, Rosie crosses the road back to her home. During the day, goods trains come and go, but goods trains don't have cafeterias. When 6 o'clock comes, Rosie the railway dog will be back on the platform, waiting for the evening passenger train and another pie.